Based on consultations with the Meteorological Service of Jamaica and the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, Government of Jamaica offices will reopen tomorrow, Wednesday, November 6, 2024. The Government of Jamaica extends its sincere gratitude to all essential workers who demonstrated unwavering dedication in maintaining critical public services throughout today's inclement weather. The Met Office has indicated that intermittent heavy rains will continue throughout the night, and this may result in challenges for some of our public sector employees to get to work tomorrow morning. We therefore urge any of our public sector employees who are having any difficulty getting to work to please communicate with their supervisors or the head of their entities as soon as they can do so. We're going to be in a mode of flexibility